Hey Herm, what you doing there, buddy? You okay? Oh goodness.
Get all the sugar. All the sugar gone.
No
Now it's
sugar
just
left.
corn.
Now it's just pure evil in there.
Yeah.
Good boy. Oh, those are warning licks. That's what that is.
Yeah.
You touched the hand.
I did touch the hand. I wanted to feel them jelly bean toes.
Oh no. It's only a matter of time. Hey guys, how's it going today? I am finally home from work. It is Wednesday afternoon, probably about 6:15 maybe. And I've got a lot of work I need to do shop-wise. So that's what we're going to do today. I've been drawing out a lot of ideas and writing down a lot of things I want to make. And this weekend we're going to the Natural Bridge, which is like this big, I guess they used it back in the day. I don't really know, honestly. I need to look into that. But it's just a big stone natural bridge that also has a cave, and we're going to go there. We're going to like hike and have a picnic and hang out and take photos of my products, along with do some photos for Jonathan's karate business. So it's going to be like a partially vacay, partially job type of trip. And Jonathan really wanted to go hiking for his birthday, and that was the beginning of this month. So we're a little behind on that. But yeah, that's all I wanted to say, and let's just get into the work I'm going to do tonight. I was going to get to work straight away, but somebody wanted snuggles. That's my boy right here, y'all. You're so blurry. I don't deserve him, y'all. Adopted babies are the best babies. Somebody looks pooped. Did you play too hard? Are you pooped? You look pooped. Okay guys, so I have been working on a few things off camera. I just finished an order for a pink Luma. It's super cute. I love these guys. It's going all the way to Australia starting tomorrow. Also, I have made some new thank you notes. I've decided to just type them out and see how I like these. And when I run out of these, I'll make a new one. I like to update them very often and or handwrite them. It says, "Thank you very much for your order. It's people like you who help make our dream a reality. We hope you love your items, but if you have any questions or concerns, please message us. We hope you will take the time to review our shop as it helps build our reputation. Also, as a token of our appreciation, we included a code for 10% off your next order from us." And then I gave the code. And then I have links to my Instagram, Twitter, and then our name at the bottom. So, yeah, that's what I've been working on. I got quite a few of those, probably like 50-ish. Hey guys, how's it going? Today's Friday. I have asked off work so that I could get a lot of things done that I needed to get done adult life wise. We only have one vehicle at the moment, so I had to get my oil changed. It's been a while, a lot longer than I should have let it go. But lots of other things have been happening. I decided also, since I was going to have the day off anyway because of how many things I needed to do, I might as well do things for my business that I normally don't get to do because I'm at work during those people's business hours that I have to go visit to get the things from I need. So I'm going today to meet with a t-shirt company that does direct-to-garment printing, and I'm really nervous about it. I've been wanting to do t-shirts since I started drawing. I was very young, like grammar school, middle school, practicing drawing up t-shirt designs. Just that's something I've always wanted to do, and it's something that I'm trying to step into. If I think that they have good enough quality at the meeting today, I might put in an order for my first couple of designs. It's gonna be the same design, but just two colorways, hopefully. I can do that if it's not ridiculously expensive, because the cheaper it is for me, the cheaper it is for you guys. So I want it to be affordable, because I don't want to pay $30 for a t-shirt myself. So I'm trying to keep it under 30 if I can possibly do that, but it really depends on the price of the items and put in my time and effort towards that. So we'll see. Spoiler alert, t-shirts didn't happen. They weren't very good quality and they were super expensive, so I said no. I have to try something else. Also, I'm cutting up a shiz ton of stickers. I have been meaning to get these printed for ages. They've been sitting on my computer waiting to get made. And right now, I do this step where I cut them into strips first, and then I cut them out individually, and then I just go from there and cut them out by hand with these scissors around the edges, leaving a little bit of white space. So it's a lot of work for stickers, but it is a very fun process for me. My hands end up hurting and I have to take breaks, but I love doing them like this. I probably would love to get a silhouette cutting machine that does like sticker sheets, but I would still do these on the side if I had that. I would just have like, themed sets if I did that, or like stationary, like scrapbooking sized ones, maybe that small like sheets. But that's something for the probably distant future if I ever save up enough money to get something like that. For now, I'm just doing these individually stickers, and I hope to have those photoed this weekend, but we'll see. I do have quite a few things going on this weekend. Like tomorrow we're going to the Natural Bridge in, I think, Natural Bridge, Alabama. I'm not sure. I used to go there all the time with my family when I was younger, just to have fun and have a picnic and just walk around. It's a very beautiful place out in the middle of nowhere. And we're gonna go with our friend Jacob, who's in karate, and we're gonna take some pictures for Jonathan's business, which is his martial arts studio. And we're also going to take some product photos for the shop. So if we don't get rained out and everything goes well like planned, I'm gonna, record a little bit there for you so you can see what we're up to this weekend. It's gonna be very, very busy. I'm really excited though, because it's kind of also a birthday thing for Jonathan, because he didn't get to do anything for his birthday and he wanted to go hiking. So it's gonna be like a twofer, So that's what I'm working on today. I've been doing so many things, busy, busy, busy. I got to go supply shopping. I guess I can do like a mini haul for you, show you what I got. Okay, let me get you set up here. All right, I didn't get a lot. I went to Hobby Lobby and got some things that I have needed for a couple weeks now. I just got a yard of black fleece. I am very, very low on that color, which I probably need pink too, but I didn't think about that. So always next time. I got these Gadget and Gizmos brand self-sealing bags, 150 of them in a pack. They're 3x4 inches and they're $3.49 for that many, which is a great deal. This is the size I use for my stickers and or enamel pins or anything that's small enough that I need to fit in something like this. They're super cheap. It's just something I like to do to keep things safe and free from water if the envelope happens to break. Normally I get like the small sizes of thread at Hobby Lobby, but they had this big one of white and it's only like 75 cents more, and plus these were all half off today. I got all of this thread, which full price this is $2.79 just for this little one. I got this little pink one, I got this purple, I got this blue, and this giant white one. All of them were half off today, so that was exciting. I also got this Scribbles 3D fabric paint in red for $1.29. I just needed red and black. They only had the matte. Hermie, are you okay? Oh my gosh, you're crazy. Anyways, I got this. I always use black for tiny, tiny details on some of my hats. It's just a good thing for me to use, and it was, I used the coupon on that, 40% off, so all of this was like 20 bucks and some tax. Short haul for you. Look at my son. This is what jumped up here. Hermie, what are you doing? Hermie, is that you? Look at it. Yeah, he's hyper right now. Anyways, I'll see you guys later. Watching Bailey J stream because she's awesome. You should go sub to her on Twitch. She's awesome and the Twitch fam is amazing. Okay guys, so it is now like almost 4 o'clock I think, and I took a break from working on stickers. I went to a DVD store and got a few movies for my kids at camp. I go to camp every summer, And I was looking for some PG movies or G movies, and I also got Jonathan a few. They were like $1 each, and then I also had like a 15% off coupon, so I got like a bunch of movies for less than $10, so I'm pretty proud of that. Yeah, I've only cut out 3 stickers so far. I've got the DIY Queen, I have this little alien guy, which I haven't named yet, and then I have these watercolored peace signs. They all look really nice up close. My camera doesn't really do them justice, to be completely honest. I'm taking a break from those stickers to work on this hat. I've decided I'm going to start doing, instead of like completely cutting out fan art, I don't want to list fan art in my Etsy store anymore because they are cutting down on that, so I'm taking everything out slowly. I'm going to sell them on Instagram. I'm going to put them up and then say if anyone wants to purchase this hat, they can DM me or comment sold, and I can DM them so that I can still make what I want, because that's the thing, is like I really enjoy making fan art hats and I want to, and there's some that will never be made by Nintendo officially or anything, so I feel like it's not really fair that people aren't ever going to get these items because I'm not allowed to sell them and make them. So I'm still going to do it. It's just not going to be through any website so that the website can, you know, punish me for it. I'm gonna make it so I can do whatever I want, and if I feel like making a Pikachu hat that day and someone wants to buy it and they see that I've posted it and they follow me, then they have the chance to buy one. Or if anyone wants to commission me for a specific hat that they've seen me make, they could do that too, and I can just make it as a custom order on Etsy and not have to label it exactly what it is or whatever. So I want to be able to do what I want to do. It's a struggle that I think a lot of people who are trying to cut out on fan art are probably dealing with as well. Selling fan art is one of the hardest things you can do if you sell online, because people are cracking down on it, even though they're never going to make that item. I don't think it's really fair, because some of these things are like, I get a Pikachu hat because they have made a Pikachu hat before. There is official licensed merch of a Pikachu hat. But there's so many other Pokemon that they're never ever going to make hats of, because it's just, there's so many of them that would take so much money and time for them to design out, and they don't want to do it. You know, that just these obscure things like Swinub and Dunsparce, you know, just random Pokemon that I like to turn into hat form. So yeah, I just enjoy making them. And right now I'm also working on some My Hero Academia themed hats. They're not the characters, but they are, I'm going to do bunnies probably first. This one's inspired by the color scheme of Ida Tenya. I like the color schemes of a lot of the characters on that show. It's a very good show and manga. I have not finished the manga, but I'm trying to not get ahead of myself in the anime. I'd rather watch the anime first and then read the manga. It's really good. I recommend it if you haven't seen it. I want to take the color schemes of characters and turn them into bunny hats, like my 2 colored bunny hats that I've started doing. So this one's Ida. He's my favorite character. And then I want to do Kiri. I want to do Deku, of course. I want to do Bakugo. I want to do the alien girl. I forgot her name, but she's like pink and yellow. I think that'd be really cute. All of them have at least a 2-color combo that I can do. Oh yeah, and Todoroki, he's half and half anyway, so that would be really cute. And I'm not sure how I'm going to list them, but on other platforms other than Etsy, I'm going to advertise them as My Hero Academia hats. I think that'd be really cute. Their color schemes are just really pretty to me. But it's technically nothing even close to the show. Like, nothing like the characters. So I don't see those being taken down unless I legit tag them with the name of the show. But yeah, homie's just chilling over here. I've also been kind of cleaning the apartment. I don't want to show you right now because it's still in the middle of it. But I've been cleaning. And yeah, working on art. It's a very busy day. A day off for me is a day of work. But I enjoy it. I love working in my business. I wish I could do this full time. Maybe one day. That's the dream. So yeah. Okay, so I have been working on editing my photos from the photo shoot we did this weekend / ones I took today. So now I've already like cropped them. I've lightened and darkened them and all that good stuff. So now I'm gonna put them on Etsy. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I should have a new video up for you guys very soon. I've got a couple of really cool ideas that I want to do.
I'm listening to Doom. Doom's got one of the best soundtracks I've ever heard in a video game.
While he's playing Dragon Ball FighterZ. I guess I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.